True genius often hides among the people. This guy from abroad used simple materials to build an awesome chicken feeder. With this, no more worrying about wasted feed. First, prepare 4 large plastic bottles. Cut them about 8 centimeters from the bottle mouth. Then cut some rubber strips to the right length. Stick them around the bottle edges. This prevents chicks from getting scratched. Now get 4 large soda bottles, 4 small clips, and 4 big clips. Cut out 4 custom bottle bases. Next, prepare 2 long wooden planks. Sand them down smoothly. Mount the bottle bases on one plank. Space them evenly across the board. Place the small clips on each base. Secure with screws. Place the cut bottle tops onto the bases. Perfect fit. Now fix the large clips on the second plank. Make sure they align perfectly with the bottom bases. Mount the base plank onto the chicken coop wall. Use a level to align it properly. Adjust height depending on your setup. Too high or too low won't work well. It must be just right. Mount the top plank above it. Ensure perfect alignment with the lower plank. Once assembled, fill 2 bottles with spring water and the other 2 with wheat grain. Attach all 4 bottles to the system. Pay attention to bottle position. The mouth shouldn't be lower than the base opening. If it is, it'll overflow easily. Unscrew the bottle caps. And liquid flows into the feeder. When the base fills up, it won't spill at all. Now suck out some water with a syringe, and you'll see water refills automatically. Tap the wheat bottle gently, and the grains fall down on their own. You've got a true automatic feeder. No more daily feeding chores needed. This DIY chicken feeder is a total game changer. You can finally stop worrying about feeding time. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.